Island Hopping Adventures, the ultimate guide to Southeast Asia's serene gems. Welcome to Lost in World, where we uncover the hidden gems of our planet. Today, we're embarking on a mesmerizing journey through Southeast Asia, a land of diverse cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and islands that promise adventures of a lifetime. Ready to get lost in the beauty? Let's dive in. 1. The Philippines, a diverse archipelago. The Philippines, with over 7,000 islands, is a melting pot of cultures, histories, and natural wonders. From the mesmerizing limestone cliffs of Palawan to the powdery white sands of Boracay, there's something for every traveler. Dive into azure waters, explore hidden lagoons, or simply bask in the sun on a secluded beach. Don't miss the historical churches in Cebu, the marine-rich Tabataha reefs, or the breathtaking Banao rice terraces. 2. Thailand, a tropical paradise. Thailand's islands are synonymous with paradise. The Phi Phi Islands, with their crystal-clear waters and vibrant marine life, are a diver's dream. Nearby, the Similan Islands offer untouched beauty. Beyond these gems, experience the luxury of Koh Samui, the diving courses of Koh Tao, and the historical ruins of Ayat Thaya and Sukhothai. 3. Indonesia, from Bali to Komodo. Indonesia's Bali is a blend of culture, nature, and adventure. With its iconic rice terraces, temples, and surf spots, it's no wonder Bali is a favorite among travelers. Venture to Lombok's waterfalls, trek up Mount Rinjani, or dive into the biodiverse waters of Raja Ampat. And of course, witness the majestic Komodo dragons on Komodo Island. 4. Malaysia, the jewel of Langkawi. Langkawi, an archipelago of 99 islands in Malaysia, is a treasure trove of experiences. From exploring hidden caves to chasing waterfalls and enjoying panoramic views of the Andaman Sea, Langkawi promises an unforgettable journey. Beyond Langkawi, experience the colonial charm of Penang, the cool climates of Cameron Highlands, and the modern marvel of the Petronas Twin Towers in Kuala Lumpur. 5. Vietnam, the mystical Halong Bay. Halong Bay in Vietnam is a sight to behold, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's known for its emerald waters dotted with towering limestone karst. But Vietnam offers more than just Halong Bay. Wander through the lantern-lit streets of Hoi, trek the terraced fields of Sapa, or explore the world's largest cave, Sun Dune, in the Phong Nha Ke Bang National Park. Each destination in Southeast Asia offers a unique blend of experiences, catering to a wide range of interests. Whether you're a history buff, an adventurer, or someone seeking relaxation, you're bound to find your paradise here. Thank you for joining us on this journey with Lost in World. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides and tips. Here's to many more adventures and happy island hopping.